Oh.
I'm the driver.
Fuck, man, what took you so long? You got a car, this thing's shot to hell.
How do you think I got here?
My rules, your car. That's the job.
All right, well, come on, man, let's go.
Well, Jesus Christ, literally shot to shit. I thought you meant like the engine, bro. Stealth driving. That's not gonna be a good. Oh god.
Everything went to shit. Eddie's dead. I left him back there. Oh, man, the cops came out of nowhere. This is bad. Just follow the route and keep an eye out. The cops are still searching.
Your route's gonna get us killed. Sit back and keep quiet.
Just stick to the plan. I know what I'm doing.
That how your buddy wound up dead? Keep your head down.
Squad, we're gonna work the alleys and see if we can flush them out.
Copy that. All surrounding bridges are still up except the well. You've got support inbound on the well.
Just chill.
So come on, what's the plan? Talk to me.
You need to calm down.
God damn it.
You got the island locked up. We'll stick to the back alleys, garages, keep out of sight. If you see me kill the engine and cut the lights, you keep quiet.
Well. Goddamn. Anything with driving, I'm gonna lose. You could drive better than me, kitty. I gotta do this shit again.
Eddie's dead. I left him back there. Oh,
Okay,
man,
well,
the cops came out of nowhere. This is bad. Just follow the route and keep an eye out. The cops are still searching.
Your route's gonna get us killed. Sit back and keep quiet.
Just stick to the plan. I know what I'm doing.
That how your buddy wound up dead? Keep your head down.
Squad, we're gonna work the alleys and see if we can flush them out.
Copy that. All surrounding bridges are still up except the well. You've got support inbound on the well.
So come on, what's the plan? Talk to me.
You need to calm down. You got the island locked up. We'll stick to the back alleys, garages, keep out of sight. If you see me kill the engine and cut the lights, you keep quiet. Just be an old parked car.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah. Okay. Shit, my hands won't stop shaking. You ever seen a guy shot in the guts before?
Too many.
Come on, man, talk to me. I'm freaking out here. Hey, maybe Eddie's alive, huh? He took one to the belly. I heard that's the best place to get shot. Is that true?
A wound like that can go either way. The bullet doesn't
Yeah,
go
oh
right
my
through.
God.
You're looking at a lot more collateral damage.
Bitches.
Oh, fuck, man. They said you were good. You did it.
Fuck you.
some guys meeting us. Don't fuck it up now. Fuck. That's Lucky Quinn.
She Harley Quinn's.
Why's
Oh,
the club
that's
boss
a
meeting
dude.
us?
He's not meeting us. He's meeting you.
Someone new. I swear, I don't know what happened. There wasn't supposed to
Wow,
be
he
anyone.
looks like a
I mean,
noob.
it's a computer plant,
What
right?
are you doing with
I
this
turn
guy?
around, the alarm's going off. The cops got there so fast. I didn't.
Yeah, he's a noob.
Quiet now. It's all over,
It is
son.
all over, son. The Crypt Keeper's
I got it, at least, right?
butthole.
That's what matters.
It is indeed, but matters most. This is how the world turns.
Not much room for error.
Not much room for fuck-ups.
Oh, I
Or
get that,
fucked
Mr.
up's
Quinn.
whatever
I do.
you do.
It wasn't my fuck up, though.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
No, calm now. It's all right. Calm? Get a chance to talk to your mama?
No. Fuck's my mom.
All your friends?
Nope.
Your girl?
This dude looks
Oh, sorry.
gnarly.
I was in a hurry.
That's good. Very good.
Yeah, that's real good. Yeah. Oh shit. Crypt Keeper. Oh, and the fucking other guy just shows up out of nowhere and just, ain't no thing, I'll shoot him.
You can tell your employer I'll call again
Okay, bye.
if ever I need
If I
it.
ever need another delivery.
Another delivery.
Great, thanks, Gramps. Goodbye.
Lucky fucking Quinn. He runs the Chicago South Club. These assholes have been preying on Chicago since before I was born.
Yeah, I can
I
see
could have
that.
done the city a huge
Holy
favor if I put one
shit.
between his eyes.
I don't want this car anymore.
And this is
Oh,
exactly
it's
what I've been
new.
trying to
Okay,
stay
that's
away
cool.
from. It always comes back hard. That can't happen again.
Can you shut up?
Hey, how'd it go? You finished that job yet?
You thought I'd be okay working for the fucking club?
A paycheck is a paycheck. You gotta start separating the morals from the moolah. Relax. Listen, I can hook you up with my guy. He'll find you better driving gigs if you want.
Yeah, sure. I don't know if I'll take them. Give him my name.
Who says no to extra cash, right?
La, la, la,
Oh, and
la,
since you asked, Maurice is doing just fine in his new home.
For your progress. Progression. 3.4. Oh, good. Collectibles. Okay. Investigations. Human traffic. Oops. Gang. Hideouts. Oh my god, 1 of 40. Have I done anything? No wonder it's fucking 3.4. Goddamn. I haven't done shit.
I got a man and we can hook up something tight. Just make a right into the gas.
When I get you close, how do I do this? What is this little blue looking?
I've got something for you. We need to meet.
Oh, what is good?
Meet? What, face to face? Should I look for a guy in a mask?
No mask. Just follow my signal.
I thought you never wanted to meet.
I don't,
Fucking turn.
but we need to meet.
Butthole. only 3 meters. I gotta go.
It's not a playground, pal.
I've hired Bad Boy before, and he's always protected his identity. That's how DedSec works. Now he wants to meet. That's unusual. Alright, I'm gonna try and shake him off his game. Let's see what he's up to.
Meet with Bad Boy 17. In the subway, in the underground tunnels where no one can hear you scream. Good. Good.
Bad Boy.
What?
Bad
Life's
Boy,
definition
17.
4K transparent.
What the fuck, man?
Behind you.
Bad Boy 17?
Really?
Clara.
Clara.
Bitch.
You don't look 17.
Do I look like a bad boy?
No, you look like a wild
Well,
card.
you need hairspray.
I hope I
Fix
don't
those
frighten you.
flyaways.
What, do you have a reason to frighten me?
Now you're being
Hairspray and
paranoid.
toothbrush.
Am I?
It'll work, I'm telling you.
Someone is fucking with my life. Threatening my family, and at the same moment, the mysterious bad boy wants to meet me, and he is a she. He is a lie.
I thought he was gonna say he is a slut.
Listen, I need to trust you, Clara.
I wouldn't trust me if I were you. But here's a reason to listen. The text message you sent me, I know where to find him.
Oh yeah.
Well, we don't need to meet face to face for that.
No. We needed a face-to-face for this. You wanted DedSec as Max?
You got me in.
You should be nicer to me. I'm about to open your world.
Yeah.
Please do.
Well, you're not the first woman to promise me that.
They do all their nasty work through this. And they don't know I have access.
No, you stole it.
Of course you stole it.
This is powerful. Just don't be stupid. You screw around and you get people hurt. Worse.
It's a hoodlum.
Well, I don't think you trust me.
Give me a reason to trust you.
All right. The guy sent the text. How do we find him?
We work together. You with everything I just said. Me tracking his signal.
You're not quite what I expected.
Obviously.
And you're exactly as I expected, Aiden.
That was nice and creepy. New skills unlocked. Cool. Oh, there I am. Oh, damn. Blockers. Disable helicopter. Yeah, I think I'll take blockers. Yeah, man. Available skill points. Oh, I'll take the extra battery. What is that for? Do I use battery? Yeah.